get stuck on us. Let's go. Yes, today is a great lesson for our KC100 or Korean Culture in 100 keywords. And why is it a great lesson? Because it's one of my favorite things in 상징물 or symbolic icons, and that is kimchi. I love kimchi, but sadly my stomach is not the biggest fan. So honeypots, we are ready to dive into this lesson. Let's go with our words and expressions. Kimchi, kimchi, 대표적, representative, 발효 식품, fermented food. noun 화과 함께, together with noun. 항상, always. 밥상, meal, table, diet. 올라오다, to serve. 반찬, side dish. 소금, salt. 조림, pickled or salted. 배추, napa cabbage. 무, radish. 파, scallion. 마늘, garlic. 생강, ginger. 고춧가루, chili pepper powder. 젓갈, salted pickled seafood. 녹다, to add. 만들다, to make. 종류, type or kind. 계절, season. 지방, region. 인에 따라, by in. 양념, seasoning. 재료, ingredient. 다르다, to be different. verb 기 때문에, because v. 매우, very. 다양하다, to be diverse, to vary. 약, about, approximately. 배추 kimchi. 배추, napa cabbage, kimchi. 깍두기, 깍두기, Korean radish kimchi. 총각 kimchi. 총각 radish kimchi. 열무 kimchi. 열무, young radish kimchi. 오이소박이, cucumber kimchi. 동치미, water-based radish kimchi. 개입 kimchi. Sesame leaves kimchi. 자주, often. VRG 않다, do not be. 백김치, white kimchi. 맵다, to be hot or spicy. 다른, different. 을 수도 있다, can or may be. 찌개, stew. 전, pancake. 볶음밥, fried rice. 국, soup. in, 위에, besides in. 생선, fish. All right, guys, I know that this is probably a great one to look at if you enjoy cooking because it has a lot of some vegetables and it has some maybe seasonings that you guys can use in your daily language to help you while you're studying Korean. So I think this is really great. Whew. So let's read our questions. Number 1. 김치는 어떤 식품입니까? What kind of food is kimchi? Number 2. 김치로 만들 수 있는 요리는 무엇입니까? What kind of dishes can you make with kimchi? Alright, and now to our passage. 김치는 한국의 대표적인 발효 식품으로 밥과 함께 항상 한국인의 밥상에 올라오는 반찬이다. 김치는 일반적으로 소금에 절인 배추에 무, 파, 마늘, 생강, 고춧가루, 젓갈을 넣고 만든다. 하지만 그 종류는 계절과 지방에 따라 양념과 재료가 다르기 때문에 매우 다양한데 약 30여 종류의 김치가 있다. 그 중에서도 페주김치, 깍두기, 총각김치, 열무김치, 오이소박이, 동치미, 게김치는 한국인들이 자주 먹는 김치이다. 고춧가루를 넣지 않고 만든 백김치도 있다. 그래서 백김치는 맵지 않다. 김치로 다른 요리를 만들 수도 있다. 김치찌개, 김치전, 김치볶음밥, 김칫국 위에 생선이나 고기를 넣어서 다양한 요리를 만들 수 있다. Now to the English. Kimchi is a representative fermented food of Korea, and it is always served in a Korean meal together with rice. Kimchi is generally made with salted Napa cabbage with added radish, scallion, garlic, ginger, chili pepper powder, and salted seafood. But the types greatly vary as the seasonings and ingredients differ by season and region, and there are about 300 types of kimchi. Among them, pechu kimchi, 깍두기, 종각 kimchi, 열무 kimchi, oibaki, cucumber kimchi, dongchimi, and kanem kimchi are kinds of kimchi that Koreans eat very often. There is also pet kimchi made without chili pepper powder, so it is not spicy. You can also make other dishes with kimchi. Besides kimchi jjigae, kimchi jan, fried rice with kimchi, and kimchi soup, it is also possible to make diverse dishes adding fish or meat. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. And if you're curious what my favorite kimchi is, I actually really love kimchi jjigae. I love kimchi jang. So I like those other dishes that you can make with kimchi. And then I also really, really enjoy pet kimchi, and I like the oibaki. And actually, I like mostly all kimchi. I like mostly all of the kimchi. But yeah, I really like oibaki. I think it's really tasty. And then, of course, just plain kimchi. So, yes, let's get to our questions. Super good quiz time. Number 1. 김치는 어떤 식품입니까? What kind of food is kimchi? And this time, I will give you the answer in Korean and English. So, 발효식품입니다. It is a fermented food. 발효식품입니다. It is a fermented food. So, did you get it right? I hope so. Number 2. 김치로 만들 수 있는 요리는 무엇입니까? What kind of dishes can you make with kimchi? Do you know? Can you remember? I said that I liked 2 of them. 김치찌개, 김치전, 김치볶음밥, 김칫국 등이 있습니다. There is kimchi-jjigae, kimchi-jan, and kimchi soup. I will read the answer in Korean one more time. 김치찌개, 김치전, 김치볶음밥, 김칫국 등이 있습니다. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson on kimchi as much as I did. I am a huge fan of kimchi. I love it. If you didn't know, actually more than half of Korea's kimchi actually comes from China because it is cheaper to get it imported than it is to make it in Korea for a restaurant to use it. Did you know that? Fun fact, right? So if you're curious more about that, the Korean Herald and Korea Times, they wrote articles about it. So you can check them out on Instagram, or you can go to their website, the Korea Times or the Korea Herald. Also, of course, on the Korean news articles as well. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, honeypots. And with that, 꿀잼 Rin out. See you on the next one. 안녕. Hey honeypots, we want to make sure every time is a good time. So please do comment down below and let us know things that you like, or email us at honeyjampot@gmail.com email